Hello everyone, this is Jim from Auto Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 2nd of March afternoon analysis. Before starting the video, I will share some news, then we will just go ahead with our chart. As you know, today is the private sector, US private sector ADP employment data day. Just 1 hour ago, we have received that data and it was positive. The labor market is just like a growing and a good sign for US economy. Fed official Jerome Powell has spoken about this, and then he said that March meeting seems pretty reasonable to raise the rates. That's really important. That's why we see high level of dollar index because of this safe haven asset issue. It's high already over 97, and it is just going higher and higher. And this was really important. Today we will receive US crude oil stocks, and also probably in a few hours we will receive OPEC Plus meeting decision about future production rises. The market is divided right now. Some people say they will stick to plan. Some people say just to compensate and then just to balance the market because okay, they are not satisfied for short term. Of course, they are satisfied, but for the long term, these prices will just lead to a crisis, and they will just enjoy this price for short term. That they don't want these high prices. Some people say OPEC Plus members can just increase more than expected. All right, that's the news. Let's start with our first chart, dollar index. We are on the middle of the week, so it's classic Wednesday afternoon video is about dollar index, gold, and US oil, the WTI. So as you can see on the chart, dollar index is just enjoying high level of that one. Reason is, as I said, US bonds and also US dollar is just thought as a safe haven. People are just putting their money into that one. I have explained this before. US has always has a plan B. In Europe, we have seen that a lot of dependence on Russian oil and gas made them so much vulnerable to Russian exposure. That's why we see low level of euro and high level of dollar. This is also another good example of this high dollar index level. All right, let's look at gold prices. As you can see here, as long as we are over this level, it will just go higher, and even it will test 98 level points in short term. This is possible, but this critical level 97.400 level is critical on dollar index. Let's look at gold prices.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Market.
All right, gold prices is just having trouble over just passing 1940 level. Reason, this is really important level. If it just passed that one, the next level is 1970. But if we didn't have anything like Bitcoin, we will probably will just pass over 2000k in gold prices. But these days people have this digital gold. They just assess Bitcoin as another hedge option in this wartime, in this inflation scenario. That's why the investment flowing to gold is divided. That's why we see the rise in Bitcoin and gold at the same time. Some traditional people are just preferring gold, and some people are just preferring digital version of gold, Bitcoin. And They say, all right, when you just buy gold, you are not buying physical gold. You are buying something ETF. So it's digital already. Why not doing investing in Bitcoin? And they are saying something really interesting and also look at that makes sense. They say, do you believe that any chance if you invest $1,000 in gold and the price from here to reach to 4,000 level or 3,800 level in gold? They say nobody is expecting that one. But in Bitcoin, if you just like spend $1,000 with the price of 34, it was just last 2 days, it was trading like that, 34, 35K level, and it may reach to 70K dollar, and that means doubling the amount of money you have invested. So that's why people are just choosing that side, more profit maker. That's why we see a rejection from this level. That's my opinion, and for some other people. And also, don't forget, we have seen these high levels of gold, and also after this level we have seen $300 less of these prices. It's all about the market conditions. If we just see a relaxation, a solution, some positive news, we will just see the similar sell-off just like that sharp rise rally. All right, let's look at oil prices. All right, our last chart is crude oil, WTI. As you can see here, it has just risen tremendous from the recent Friday. It has tested $90 level on Friday, and from that level right now it has tested $112 level. It's $22 increase, and this is really high level. So I'm saying if you have any budget, if you have enough margin, if you can handle a $5 more rise or something, like if you can risk that, this is really good area, this is really good point to sell oil. But before doing that, just wait for OPEC Plus meeting press release and how the market will just give reaction to that meeting. That's important. But the risk, possible Russian oil absence in the market, just keeping the prices high and high. But there is always a point to realize the profit. When it reaches to that level, if you ask me, it has already passed that level. Some profit realization, some correction is on the way, and if you just make a sell option, if you can just do that, just do it, and even $5 will just $5,000 in one lot of execution. All right, that's my idea. Thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news. We will cover more charts with you tomorrow morning. Have a nice and profitable day. You can just follow us on social media platforms. We will just update you on recent news. We will just share all these thoughts with you during the day. Have a nice day. Bye.